How to earn money with online survey.
Are you looking for a way to earn money online?
Well, you're in luck. One popular method is through online surveys. That's right, you can earn money just by sharing your opinions and feedback with companies.
In this video, we'll show you how to earn money with online surveys, and we'll even provide you with some examples to get started. A person taking a survey on their computer. Step 1. Find legitimate survey websites.
There are plenty of survey websites out there, but not all of them are legitimate. Look for reputable websites that have good reviews and a history of paying their users.
Some examples of legitimate survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Step 2. Sign up and create an account. Once you've found a legitimate survey website, sign up and create an account.
Provide accurate information about yourself, as this will help you qualify for more surveys in the future.
Step 3. Complete surveys.
Once you've signed up, you'll start receiving survey invitations. Complete the surveys honestly and to the best of your ability. Be sure to follow any instructions given and provide thoughtful responses. Step 4. Earn money.
After completing a survey, you'll earn money or rewards, depending on the website. Some websites pay cash, while others offer gift cards, vouchers, or other types of rewards. Keep track of your earnings and redeem them according to the website's payout methods. Step 5. Refer friends and participate in other activities. Some survey websites offer referral programs where you can earn additional money by referring friends to join. You can also participate in other activities on the website, such as watching videos, playing games, or participating in contests, to earn more rewards.
And that's it.
With online surveys, you can earn money from the comfort of your own home just by sharing your opinions. Remember to be cautious and only sign up for legitimate survey websites to avoid scams.
Happy surveying!
Thank you for watching our video on how to earn money with online surveys.
We hope you found these examples helpful.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips.
Good luck on your survey taking journey. End of video.